Mm-mm. Mm-mm. We also did this. We said this one loves friends. Does any of you love friends? Yes, it's good to love each other. So when you love your friend, you get a friend, becomes your friend, and the number keeps on being big. So the same applies to her. Likes being a friend. This can. Let's walk. Shh. And then this came and they walked. In the rain, they had to catch a cold. And they sneezed. Can you sneeze? Sneeze again. So you're going to say Ain. What am I saying? Jane. Wonderful. Let's see other words. E. This is a short E, as in E. E. Shh. What am I saying? Please think. Hear it. Say it. And then you will learn to say the word. Okay, off we go. Ish. Fish. When you hear it, say it, you will be able to write. Ag. What is it saying? Chug. Trains are chugging. Okay, again I want to show you another friend. This one has friends, you're going to see. But the funny bit is, they don't say the sounds. They are. Because this is K and this is H. You would say, they would say K. They went out in the rain. Sneezing. Oh, interesting. Okay, today we want to see another friend. I hope you're ready to listen. This is the other friend. La-da. Ta-da. This is the other friend. Listen. This friend became so annoyed. He was like, in the beginning, me and you were the only friends on this earth. How come you now have many friends? Your friend to this, your friend to this, and your friend to others. I'm not your friend. I'm not your friend. Can you try it out? Oh, I'm not your friend. Without a smile. I'm not your friend. He was not happy with her. How could you have many friends? So, they still walked together. But as they were walking, softly, without a voice, you say, I'm not your friend. And a voiced one, I'm not your friend. So let's start with the voiced one. We are going to say, at. What am I saying? That. And again, we are going to say, is. It is saying this. Wait and see. You're going to tell me this. Let's go. Let's go. Is. What is it saying? Is. This. This is my marker. This is my blouse. This is my nose. And this is my neck. We do not cry. You say, I'm not your friend. This. Thank you so much. See you next time.